I applied to be a cadet with Morehead City Police Department because it was going to be able to give me a better insight into the career that I wanted to pursue, and would give me a little bit of experience before I actually became a police officer, sworn in, and entered the FTO program. The town, along with the department, I think set out to make a program that, while you went through BLET, exposed you to a lot of things that you're going to see when you actually become sworn. So it gave me the opportunity to learn the radio, actually learn who I would be working with in the future, and allowed me to just actually gain knowledge of what was going to happen on the street when I did get sworn in. Going through the cadet program, it gave me the opportunity to, one, gain knowledge, and two, when I actually became sworn in, the nervousness was reduced greatly because I already had some bit of what was going to go on when I got in the car the first time. I did many ride-alongs while I was a cadet, which the department tried to make happen as often as possible, and most people at the department tried to give me advice while I was going through BLET, which made it a lot easier for me to pass tests and pass scenarios when I was in BLET. Being able to be a cadet and attending BLET takes one of the stressors, because BLET is a huge commitment. It takes a lot of time, and it's like a full-time job. So having Morehead City Police Department pay me to go to school, knowing I would have a job when I finished, really alleviated a burden of what was I going to do after graduation, and where was I going to go, and what was I going to do while I was in BLET, because I wasn't able to work. I was very excited to even be able to have the opportunity to be a cadet for Morehead City Police Department, because it gave me something to look forward to, and I knew I was going to have a spot in the department whenever I graduated. And while I was striving and working as hard as I could so I could maybe be considered for Officer of the Year, I didn't think it was going to come that quickly, and I'm very appreciative that I was chosen. Essentially, I was just chosen for the award, and I really appreciate that. So it makes me feel like I did something right over the last year, and I plan to keep it up.